In this video, I'm going to show you how to see class code in Google Classroom. First, we will go to our Google Classroom, and here shows 3 classes. In the teacher, lecturer, or professor's point of view, this is how to see class code. Just select and open the class and you can already see here the class code. You can copy class invite link or just plainly copy the code, reset the code or turn it off. You can also make it bigger or in full screen. You can also go here and the code can also be seen here. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!